Hello guys, I'm Olamide by name. I'd like to share some tips with you guys on how to make your laptop or desktop 10x faster. So guys, here are the tips on how to make your laptop or desktop 10x faster. So I have my Dell Latitude 3310 here. So and this is my keyboard. I have to do what? I'll have to press Window plus R. So it's going to prompt a run dialog, and I have to do what? I have to bring my mouse down here. I have to backspace, and I have to enter pre. So I have to press OK. Going to prompt the so I have to press continue, and I have to press Ctrl A to highlight. Ctrl A to highlight. So and I'll right click and I'll click on delete. So I have to do this all current items again, try again, and I have to close this, and I have to close the program. I have to come back to my recycle bin, and I have to empty, and I have to click on yes, and I have to refresh my system. I have to refresh, so I have to click on F5 to refresh. So guys, thanks for watching.